The most exciting part of a fire and the most dangerous part of a fire is actually going to the flames and putting them out, but it's not the most of the work. It's not the majority of the work. What most of your time will be spent doing is moving wood from one side of a place to another, from one side of a river to another, not from a river, one side of a line to another. You'll dig a fire line down to the bare mineral earth that a fire supposedly can't cross. But fire, of course, can be caught in the wind, things can explode, and sparks can be sent over this line. So the way to stop the fire from going over that line is to reduce the fuel. This means anything that can burn. So we'll take wood that's close to the fire line on the burning side and throw it as far as we can into the non-burning side. So one of the biggest tasks for firefighters is just moving wood from one side of a line to another, or up a hill or down a hill. And of course, because you're in the forest, there's a lot of wood. So this has to be done in a team effort. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. Wood can be handed, especially when you're going uphill. What you do is you'll move it just a little bit up and to your right, and then in that area there'll be another person that's a little bit higher and to the right. And that person will move it all the way up to the top. So all the wood will shift all the way up to the right and the top. Another way is to just walk down the line and throw wood down a hill. The essential idea is to move the fuel away from the fire so that when the fire gets to that area, it doesn't burn as hot. And it's less likely to go into the trees, which then the wind can take it and go over, or it's less likely to jump the line just from sparks. That side, number 2 is on this side. 30 seconds to decide how you're going to do it, because what you have to do is you have to move the wood from here. Number 2 is going to stack it on the right side. Number 1 is going to stack it on the left side of that green thing there. Remember guys, it doesn't count until it's stacked. It has to be stacked. You can't just pile there, okay?
Where we need to put them?
It's set.
Yeah, baby. Ooh, baby. Having me some fun tonight. Yeah. Well, the song was a joint with bald head Sally. His son Mary come in and he ducked back in the alley.